In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add events to Google Calendar. This is a really helpful tool for keeping track of your schedule, whether for personal use or for work. So let's dive right in to see how easy it is to organize your days and weeks effortlessly. First, open up your favorite web browser and go to the Google Calendar website. You can do this by simply searching for Google Calendar in your browser's search engine. Once you see the results, click on the first link that appears. This should take you directly to the Google Calendar homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in if you're not already logged in. Go ahead and enter your email address to start with. You've probably done this many times before, but just as a reminder, you need to use the email address associated with the Google account you want your calendar to be linked to. After typing in your email, click on the Next button to proceed. Now it's time to enter your password. Just go ahead and fill that in. Once you're done, click Next again, and this will log you into your Google account, opening up your calendar. Now that you're in the calendar interface, let's proceed to create an event. Look for the Create button, which you'll usually find on the top left of the window. Go ahead and click on that. Doing so will drop down several options, but for now, let's select Event. A new window will pop up where you can start entering all the details for your event. Let's begin by giving your event a clear title. This could be anything from meeting with team to dentist appointment. Whatever it is, make sure it's descriptive so you can easily recognize it at a glance. Next, let's set the date and time for your event. Click on the Date and Time section, which will give you a calendar view where you can quickly pick your chosen day. Below, select the specific time your event is set to start and end. You can also set the time zone here, which is super useful if you're planning events with people in different areas. Once you're satisfied with all the details, the final step is to save your event. Simply click on the Save button, and just like that, your event is added to your Google Calendar. You should see it appear directly on your calendar interface, serving as a digital reminder for what's ahead. And there you have it, a straightforward way to keep all your events organized using Google Calendar. Make sure to play around with additional features like reminders, invitations, and event descriptions to tailor your schedule to your specific needs. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!